Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rashami bin Muhammad Syafi'i. My metric number 211302210. Today I will show how to create VPC and security group in AWS. First, we open the console and click VPC. Click create VPC. Tick resource to create VPC and more. Name tag auto generation, we name as mini project. Choose number of availability zone 1, number of subnet 1, number of private subnet also 1, and click customize subnet CIDR block. Change public subnet CIDR block /24 and private subnet we use 1.0/24. For net gateway, choose none and enable all DNS option. We can see all the setup of VPC and click create VPC. To finish, click view and then wait. This is VPC that we create. Next, we choose subnet. We want to create new subnet. Click create subnet. For VPC ID, we choose mini project. Subnet name, we put mini project subnet public 2. Next, availability zone. We choose US East 1B. IPv4 VPC we maintain. We put subnet 10.0.2.0/24 and then click create subnet. Successfully create. Click create subnet. VPC use mini project. Subnet setting, subnet name we put mini project. Subnet private 2. We choose same as before. IPv4 subnet 10.0.3.0/34 and then click create subnet. As you can see, the private subnet will create. After that, click security group. For security group, we want to create the security group. We click create security group. Security group name we put web security group. For description, we put enable HTTP access. For VPC, we choose mini project. Inbound rules, add rules, type HTTP, source anywhere IPv4, description, permit, secure web, request. And then create security group. Wait a few minutes and then we success to add security group. As you can see, the web security group was added. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Kristina. So I would like to present the AWS service restriction in firewall setting. So I'm using AWS EC2 services, which is this web service that provides accessible compute capacity in the cloud to design to make web-scale cloud computing easier for developers. So first we will launch the instance. So we create the name for our launch instance. Then we use application and OS image for AWS. We are using Amazon machine image that will provide the information required to launch an instance, which is a virtual server in the cloud. Then we are using T2.micro instance type that will provide a wide selection of instance type. So we are using for key for the key pair, as Amazon EC2 use public key cryptography to encrypt and decrypt login information to ensure you will be able to log into the CAS instance that we had created. Next is the network settings. Then we go to the advanced detail to enable the termination protection. So when an Amazon EC2 instance is no longer required, it can be terminated, which means that the instance is deleted and its resources are released. So a terminated instance cannot be accessed again, and the data that was on it cannot be recovered. So we have successfully launched the instance. So in the instance list, you can see the project server that we had created earlier. So we need to refresh until the status check pass. We can see that the system status checks has passed and the instance status checks has passed. So in the monitoring types, we can see that the status monitoring for the Amazon EC2, so it will detect any problem that might prevent our instance from running applications. So the system log display the console output of the instance, which is a valuable tool for problem diagnosis. So it is especially used for troubleshooting kernel problems and service configuration issues that could cause an instance to terminate or become unreachable before its SSH daemon can be started. So as we can see, we are not currently able to access the web server because the security group is not permit inbound traffic on port 80, which is used for the HTTP web request. This is a demonstration that using a security group as a firewall to restrict the network traffic that is allowed in and out of an instance. So to correct this, we can update the security group to permit web traffic on port 80. So that's all from me.
Hi, my name is Manisha Nadra. So I will present how to create SEL in S3 using AWS to include bucket in S3. So first we need to create the bucket and put the bucket name. Okay, then add object ownership. We need to enable it. So this will control all the action. And for the block public access, we need to uncheck the first two options and need to acknowledge. Okay, then we create the bucket. Okay, after the bucket created, we open the bucket and then we need to upload our object in the bucket. So as we need to okay, this my object SEL image. So we need to upload it. Okay, after that we open the object. So there is object URL to see either we can see the data or not. Okay, so there is access denied. We need to change the permission. So we need to edit and okay, we need to tick for everyone to can read the object and then we save change. Okay, so we open the same URL. Okay, so that is our object that in the bucket. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.